Nestled in the North York community of Saint Andrew-Windfields, welcome to 71 Upper Canada Drive, a well-maintained condominium townhouse complex close to many neighbourhood amenities. An in-unit townhome with a brick exterior and a brick wall privately enclosing its front patio, Unit 4 is a recently updated 2+1 bedroom home with a bright open-theme main level, a finished lower level, and comfortable upper-level personal spaces. An ideal home for first-time buyers or empty nesters, the main level features a cozy kitchen complete with stainless steel sink, fridge, stove, and dishwasher, a tiled floor and backsplash, ample cabinetry storage, as well as built-in display and storage shelving. The open-concept living and dining areas feature the elegance of crown moldings and have oversized picture windows allowing for an abundance of natural light, with California shutters for privacy. Spreading warmth throughout these rooms, the gas fireplace has a ceramic tiled hearth and facing complemented with a wood mantle, and the finishing touch is high-quality dark laminate flooring, which is also found throughout the entire home. Hardwood stairs lead to both the upper and lower levels, and above the upper staircase is a skylight flooding natural light into the upper landing. This level features a hallway linen closet, as well as 2 bedrooms with crown molding finishes and large windows, with a standard double closet in the second bedroom and an oversized double closet in the master bedroom. Completing this level is an updated 4-piece washroom with a tiled floor and bath area, as well as a quartz top vanity with undermount basin. Freshly painted throughout, this home includes all ceiling light fixtures and window treatments and comes with 1 underground parking space. The complex itself is quiet, has well-maintained interlocking walkways as well as landscape perennial gardens in the common areas, and is surrounded by mature trees. The finished lower level features a bright and spacious recreation area with an oversized window that is ideal as a family room or as a 3rd bedroom. This level has an updated 2-piece washroom with a tiled floor and a quartz top vanity, and also features a combined laundry and mechanical room, as well as ample storage space. Well situated, this home is walking distance to schools, parks, and TTC service. Other nearby amenities include golf courses, Yonge Street Shopping and Entertainment, York Mills Shopping Centre, as well as the York Mills subway station, and there is quick, easy access to Highway 401.